This is Josie. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, and welcome once again back here to my channel. It is myself, Josie from A&J Creations. It has been a minute since I've uploaded a video and I just so missed you guys. And as always, life gets the better of me, but I promise you guys, come 2020, it's gonna be a brand new channel, guys, so stay tuned. As you guys can tell by the title, today I'm gonna show you guys how I ended up making a little pumpkin baby shower themed centerpiece for my sister-in-law who is having a baby shower. Before I start, I do want to remind you guys that if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys know when I upload another awesome video. Now, I am going to go ahead and show you guys what we're working on, and this is going to be what the final product is going to look like. And let's get started. The first thing I do want to tell you guys is that all these, if not majority of the stuff I bought, was at the Dollar Tree. The styrofoam, the scarecrows, the little glitter pumpkins, and the leaves were all bought at the Dollar Tree. The other pumpkins I'm going to show you guys in a little bit were bought on Amazon, and also the ribbon and the paint. So all that I will link down below so you guys know where to get them, and absolutely you guys can follow along. And as always, this is just a suggestion. You guys could always tweak it so it becomes your personal centerpiece. Let's get started. So the first thing I did was I went ahead and painted the top of the styrofoam. If you guys are familiar with Dollar Tree, these are 2 for $1 and they come in a pack. So I painted only the top. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue the ribbon on the side, and that is why I did not paint the side. There's no reason to paint the side. It's going to be a waste of paint. So I'm going to go ahead and hot glue it around like so. When I'm done gluing it like that, I'm going to go ahead and take my scarecrow. This scarecrow was bought at the Dollar Tree. It was in the entrance. I did went ahead and cut the bottom. It was a little bit too long for what I needed. And after I glue this on, I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do with the leaves. So I went ahead and I glued the ribbon, and I have my scarecrow glued. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the leaves. I already separated the leaves, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue them down like so, and I'm going to use different patterns as I do it. So I'm going to put, you know, the green over there, the orange over here, and I'm just going to fill the bottom with leaves. And after I do that, I'm going to grab this pumpkin and the little glitter pumpkin. Now the little pumpkins, these were at the Dollar Tree. They were 5 for $1. So, you know, I grabbed 2 packs since I am doing 10 of these. These I did purchase on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue them to the bottom like so. I also went ahead and I printed these little pumpkin signs. These are about 3 by 3, and they do have the back side. Well, all I did to make these was I took a popsicle stick, I cut it in half, and then I went ahead and glued this sign on, and that's how we're going to end up with that little sign right here. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble. Like I said, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue all these leaves to the bottom. So we're going ahead and do that really quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and just like so. No professional way of doing this, and I'm just gonna place it right there and then give it a little dab like that, and that should take care of that. And now I just go ahead and start, you know, or put them down the way they're supposed to be. So, you know, if I want to now put a red one, I'm just going to put some glue right there and then go ahead and dab it down, and that's just gonna prevent it from getting up. You know, so then I'm gonna put in, you know, maybe I want a yellow right here, and this one's backwards, so maybe I want a yellow right there, and then maybe I'm gonna put another, you know, like red like that. So what I want the actual thing to, after it's all done, is to be covered with leaves. So let's go ahead and finish that. This is how it should look like once you're done covered. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add glue to the bottom of this pumpkin, and the pumpkin's gonna be placed right there. Then I'm going to add glue to the glitter pumpkin. This one, the one that comes in a little packet, and then that one's going to get glued right there. And then I'm going to stab my sign right there. And guys, there is no really professional way. I'm going to take my knife, and then I'm just going to go ahead and slice it right there, and then I'm going to stab this as well. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is how the final product looks. We have the big pumpkin, small little pumpkin, the signature design, and then we have the leaves, and then we have the scarecrows. And this is just a quick and simple little way of making a centerpiece if you're going to have little pumpkin themed baby shower. It's become a very popular theme now. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys think about it. And as always, don't forget to subscribe so you know when I upload another awesome video. Bye, guys.